recruiting company are under indictment tonight, accused of human trafficking. They're suspected of bringing hundreds of Thai workers to the U.S. and forcing them to live and work in horrible conditions.
A man desperate for work finds himself in a factory or on a fishing boat or in a field, working, toiling for little or no pay and beaten if he tries to escape. That is slavery.